Okay, good morning. We're going to try to take down a big pine tree down there. I'm going to try to fall it right through this opening right here. Well, it didn't go quite where I wanted it. It had more of a lean than I see now. It's on the ground. I can see the sweep in it. They're so hard to tell when they're standing there. I did break off one of my smaller pine trees, but that's no big deal. I'll get a few studs out of that. And of course, as usual, it broke down there. But I'll get some boards and stuff. Most of the main tree is fine. That's probably over 115, 110 foot easily. I'll come back when I get it logged out. But I guess one of the good things that it landed this way is it's not going to take much to swing these and roll them up the driveway. So that's what my goal is right now. I'll just show you what I have here. I knew it had a lot of limbs on it. It was really top heavy. That's the small tree down there that broke. But most of that was garbage anyway, so lot of heavy knots in it. It's not the best for lumber, so no big deal. I've got the main stuff, so I'll come back. Okay, welcome back. I've got this tree all up on the loading dock. It's been a while since I've had the loading dock this loaded with trees or logs. There's 15 logs on this loading dock. Of that big tree here that I took down, there's probably 82 to 84 feet of log, even with sections where they broke a bit. I've got a 6 and a 4 there. I'll make boards out of. And then this is the small tree that broke off when that big tree fell. I lost a little bit there. I'll get a couple boards and then some shorter boards, but get something out of it. That was 24 inches roughly on the butt, 23, 24 inches on that end. These logs are running, that one's almost 18. That was the butt cut. And these ones are running 17, 15. So there should be some really nice lumber in that. And I figured I'd bring you along for the milling of one of these logs. I've got enough time tonight maybe to mill a good portion of one log. Okay, I decided to change the blade on that. Well, I got right now milled out 4 2x10, 2 2x4, and I've got another 2x10 and 2 more 2x4 plus some boards. So I'm going to end up with 5 2x10 and 4 2x4x16 out of that. Now that's the smallest of the big butt logs. There's 3 of them, and then there's another 12 over here, 12'6", but I've got, this is, so it's the 3rd log up is what I'm saying. So I'm hoping that by the time I get down here, I should be able to get 5, probably 6 or 7 of the 2x10s out of those. So as always, I appreciate you joining me today. It was a little bit of a mix mash of things that I was doing, but it was a good day nonetheless. It's nice and sunny and warm here, and tomorrow I hope, Lord willing, to take that pile of logs and put a herding on it. So I'll bring you along for some of those bigger logs, show you what I get out of those. But until then, you have a great day.